Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you top 5 best ChatGPT plugins that you can use in ChatGPT. Now, the first one in the list is Argyle AI. Now, it is exactly like Midjourney, so all you have to do is just simply write some prompt or anything and it will give you an image. But it is currently in the beginning phase of its production, so complex prompts will not give you the result that you're looking for. Like for example, this one over here. So as you can see, it is a bit complex. That's the reason it came up with a bad image. So here is another example, and in some cases it will also give you just plain text but not the image. So you have to play around with because it is currently still in the development phase. Now this is also another example over here. Now after that, let's talk about the second plugin. So the name of the second plugin is called PlanFit. So it is basically gonna create plans for anything related to exercise or weight loss or anything related to your health. So it can create your diet plans, your exercise charts, and even show you what exercise that you have to do in video format. Let me show you. So just simply write any prompt as you can see right over here. Then it will give you exactly the main exercises and the number of reps that you have to do to achieve whatever you want. And if you want, it will also give you videos that you can watch to actually see how to do it, as you can see right over here. And it will also create your diet if you want him to do that. Now the next plugin is called Scholar Assist. So it is basically a research based plugin. So the best thing that is capable of doing is research. So it might be thesis, any paper, any important document, blog, article, whatever it may be. Just simply write a prompt. It will do the best research after searching from every single article or blog or anything related to the keyword that you searched. So after that, it will also arrange it in an orderly way, and you can also download a PDF that it will create for you with all the data in it. So just simply ask whatever you need and it will write it for you. The last plugin is called Movie Nights. So it is basically a movie name finding plugin. So let's say you want any movie that you haven't watched but it's very good. So just simply mention all the movies or just simply connect this to your Google account and it will sync with your IMDb. Then it will just simply remove all the movies from the list which you have already watched. Then it will give you the name of the movies that you haven't watched, and it's likely that you will like the movies that it will suggest because it doesn't exactly copy and paste all the movies shown on Google Chrome. It will do exact research. It will read the descriptions, the reviews on that movie, and then it will suggest the movies right over here. And most of the times the movies that ChatGPT suggests are pretty good. So that was the fourth plugin, and the last plugin is called Kayak. So basically it will just simply help you to book flights and check flight details. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.